traded some cash cattle kind of about $2 higher so far this week, Oliver. And what are you hearing for asking prices now?
Well, yesterday we started to get some cash coming across the board, 102. We've crept up to 103 and 104 here today, which is higher than what we saw last week. But as we mentioned when I was on your show Monday morning, the expectation was already for higher cash. So I think the market has already priced that in, and maybe even a little bit disappointed that the cash hasn't even firmed up just a little bit more. So I do think the upward mobility is somewhat limited here. 112 from the technical perspective is going to be significant for this December live cattle contract. I like leaning on the sell side right here, but if we do get out above 112, I wouldn't be surprised to see us make a swift run at those August highs, which come in a little bit closer towards 114. At that point, it'd be a little bit more aggressive and laying some risk off for producers and looking to the sell side.
Okay. What about this hog complex? Does it still have more room to run to the higher side?
Well, I think this is probably a little bit more of a relief after what we've gone through over the last three sessions. We went all the way from 67 to about 61 and change in three sessions, so a little bit of a relief rally here today, and I wouldn't be surprised to ultimately see that get sold into. We could get a little bit more of a push higher towards that 64.50, 65 area, but I think that premium that was put into the market over the last week and a half was a little bit overdone on the back of that news, which I think has yet to be really meaningful news at this point. So I think this is an opportunity, again, for producers to take advantage of these higher prices. I wouldn't be surprised to see us go and backfill those gaps closer to that $60 handle on that December lean hog contract here in the near term.
Lean hogs, last question. Oversold?
I think that the lean hogs have had a heck of a run. This is a relief rally after the last three sessions. I think this will probably get sold into before the weekend, maybe running up to 65, but that's going to be an opportunity to sell against.